If you're considering Air Landline for your business or personal use, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before making your decision. Whether you're already familiar with alternatives like Google Voice or traditional landlines, Air Landline stands out. But is it the right fit for you? Stick around to find out. First, Air Landline is an innovative cloud-based phone solution that allows you to manage calls, messages, and voicemail through an app or browser, without the need for a physical landline phone. Unlike traditional services that lock you into long-term contracts or require specific hardware, Air Landline gives you the flexibility to switch between devices, making it incredibly convenient for modern businesses. And unlike Google Voice, it provides seamless integration across various devices and platforms, so your team can stay connected from anywhere. Next, let's talk about pricing. One of the main draws of Air Landline is its cost effectiveness. You're not paying for extra features you don't need, and there's no hidden fee structure. In comparison to competitors like Grasshopper, Air Landline offers a more straightforward approach to pricing with fewer surprises. This is especially appealing for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs who are looking to streamline their communications without breaking the bank. The third thing to know is its easy setup. You won't need to spend hours or days configuring the system. Just sign up, download the app, and you're good to go. Unlike traditional services that often require technicians to install physical hardware, Air Landline's cloud infrastructure ensures a quick, simple installation process. If you've ever struggled with the setup of a Google Voice or RingCentral account, you'll appreciate how seamless Air Landline makes it. Moving on, let's talk about the quality of service. Air Landline uses advanced VoIP technology, meaning you get high-definition voice quality and reliable service, especially when compared to older landline solutions that are prone to static and dropped calls. It's designed to be robust, even for heavy use, which makes it great for businesses that need constant and clear communication. Some competitors can't match the voice clarity or call stability that Air Landline offers, which is something to keep in mind if reliability is a priority for you. Next up, customer support. One of the advantages Air Landline has over competitors like Ooma or Magic Jack is its responsive and knowledgeable customer service. Whether you're troubleshooting a technical issue or just need guidance on optimizing your account settings, Air Landline provides real-time support via chat and phone, which many competitors lack or offer only during limited hours. The fifth thing is the mobile experience. Many cloud-based services are notorious for their subpar mobile apps, but Air Landline truly delivers a smooth experience on both iOS and Android. You can make and receive calls, access voicemail, and manage settings just as easily on your phone as you would on a desktop, offering a level of convenience that traditional services can't match. If you need to be mobile, this is a major selling point. Next, let's discuss integrations. Air Landline integrates with CRM platforms and other software tools, which is a major benefit for business owners looking to streamline their workflow. This is an area where it really outshines older, more traditional phone systems that might require manual entry or lack connection to other business tools. For example, if you use CRM platforms like Salesforce or HubSpot, Air Landline can help automate tasks, saving you valuable time. Finally, Air Landline offers a range of customizable features, including call forwarding, voicemail transcription, and business hours scheduling. Whether you're a small business, a freelancer, or a larger team, you can tailor your settings to match your specific needs. This customization is something that many traditional services fail to deliver at such an affordable price point. If you're curious about giving Air Landline a try for yourself, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on the chance to experience the future of business communication for free.